Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X9 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find display and brightness. Then let's scroll down again and find auto screen off, tap on it, and here we've got some options from what we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options, and at the bottom the longest, which is 30 minutes. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll pick 5 minutes, and as you can see it is notified right here, which means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.